Hey gang, what time is it?
It's GoPappyGo time.
I'm gonna show you a couple little tricky gadgets here. These are sliders. You can get them at the hardware store. All the Home Depot and Lowe's and Ace Hardware, wherever. And then you got different sizes like this, and they come in packs. I don't know where my pack got to. I got a fresh pack, but anyway, I'll show you some uses of this. Number one, I'll show you how I use it on my chairs. Now this is a square one there, and I got round ones, but you can put them on. I use them on, and here's a sample of how they get attached. Right there you can see how it's attached. I take tape and double tape. Whoops, I'll mess around and knock them off. They're pretty durable. What I do is take a roll of tape, and this happens to be gaffing tape. I take the tape, go like this. You can do this with the other kind. Just roll it over and fold it like this, that it attaches to itself. It's sticky on both sides. And just sit this down on, just sit this on this like this, and then just set the chair on top of it, and it self sticks. Okay, that's one secret right there. The example of the sliders underneath these, how I use it to slide around this wallboard, this brick type wallboard. This is 4 feet wide right here by 8 feet they come in, and I cut the top off about a foot and a half maybe. No, I think it was a foot. So it's big enough to sit behind you when you're doing a shoot to use it as a background. So I just wanted you to see what this looks like with the sliders under that. Now you can move this wallboard around to wherever you want to, and usually when you get it into position, you let it there for an extended period of time, which is fine. And that's what the basic need is. So here we go. This is what it looks like.